So let me show you how to enable or disable AutoMIX in iOS 26. So AutoMIX is basically a feature in Apple Music that basically makes up your music just like a DJ would, right? So if you go into settings, so the main settings page of your iPhone, so this is it. Just go to the main settings page of your iPhone and then look for Apple Music, all right? If you don't find it there, just go all the way to the bottom, tap on all apps, and then try to look for Apple Music. So it should be in M, Music, all right? Tap on that, and then in the Apple Music settings, if you scroll down, you will see the option called Song Transitions. So this is what you're looking for. Tap on that, and first of all, make sure Song Transitions is enabled. Now, it might be selected on crossfade, which has been there since iOS 18, but what's new is AutoMix. So if you select that, it says songs transition at the perfect moment based on analysis of the key and tempo of the music. So just like a DJ world, but this is now an automated DJ, probably using AI in the background, and that's going to be your Apple Music DJ AutoMix. All right, so that's it. So now when you play music, it's going to enable or use AutoMix in Apple Music. So that's basically where you can enable or disable that function. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.